So hello and welcome friends to our channel Intro Mech, and here we discuss about basic mechanical engineering concepts. So guys, we have started our new series based on the selection criteria of solenoid valves. In our previous sessions we have covered all the parameters in detail, like what is the principle of operation of valves, how the media, the temperature, pressure affect the selection of valve, and so many other parameters. So do check out those sessions. It is very important. Now you know all these parameters and you want to select the valve. Now whenever you design some circuit, there are many actuators, so you might require many different types of solenoid valves on a same platform. So here comes the requirement of the valve manifold, and in today's section we will see how we can configure the manifold online with a free tool given by SMC. So let's check it out. So SMC is a worldwide manufacturer of pneumatic tools and pneumatic parts. So let's just log in. So here is the window. You can see the different parameters, products, solutions, valve manifold configurator, FRL configurator, and so many things. So we want to configure our manifold, so let's select the valve manifold configurator. So as soon as you check in, you will find different options over here, SY series, then different series mentioned over here, so you can read what are the specifications of this series and you can select the series accordingly. So let's select SY series. So as soon as you select the SY series, again you will have some other options available. Again in SY you have say SY new multipole, SY new for safety application, and so many other things. So let's select the SY new, and again you have modular manifold block or ALU manifold block. Let's select the SY new modular manifold block. You can check out what is its meaning in the video, and according to that you can select it. So let's select SY. Then again you have series, SY 3000 series, 5000 series, 7000 series. So you can read what is SY 3000. So basically if you go for SY 7000 series, the flow rate is more. You can check out the flow rate values, right? So if you want more larger size balls, you can go for size 5000 and 7000. If you want lesser, you can go for 3000 only, or you can go for a combination of 3000 and 5000. So let's select SY 3000. You can go for combinations also. Let's select size 3000. Now again it will ask for side ported and top ported, and both are available in inch fitting sizes, right? So you can go either in metric or imperial system, right? So let's go to the metric system, side ported. So let's select it. As soon as you select it, now your basic selection has completed. So a new window will pop up. Now this is your main manifold configurator. Here you will configure the manifold. You will select, you can see a diagrammatic display of your manifold. All right. So you can see now it is not completed, so it is showing caution. Now you have first is electrical connection, then manifold settings, valve settings, project information, and then the bill of material. So let's see first the electrical components, electrical connections. You have the electrical port options, the D sub. So this is something related to electrical. Sometimes the customer suggests this thing, or you can just have a discussion with your electrical colleague to decide this. And then the orientation, again you can select according to that. Then some options are given, then accessories are given. You can select 5 meter long cable size. Then we have the second option, the manifold setting. Now in manifold setting, the first important thing is number of stations. So this is very important thing. Let's say in your circuit you have say 10 actuators. So whether you should select a 10 station manifold? No, you should always keep some room, so that in future if there is some modification in the circuit, the wall can be adjusted on the same manifold. So let's say if I have say 8 5 uh, 5 actuators, I will select a 8 station manifold. You can see now 8 station are there in the manifold, right? Then again you have mounting positions. For the pneumatic supply you can have a both side mounting. You can see the both side mounting, and you can have only downside or you can have only upside. You can see that C8 is getting on, that is the pneumatic main supply to your manifold. So if the wall sizes are larger, you want more supply, you can select both sides so that you can have a pneumatic supply on the both sides of the wall manifold. So that is also important, right? Then what you have when you select the both side position, then you have a supply options B1. You can have a one, you can plug also if it is not required, so you can select accordingly. These are the sizes, right? So you can select now D side, you have open, or you can plug it with the help of a fitting, or you can keep it open. Then you have silencer options, and then you have some type, standard or fitting upward or downward, that also you can check if you then you have options of built-in silencer. If you select a built-in silencer options, you don't have to purchase the silencers separately. You can see the silencer option has eliminated over there, right now. Yes, and also you can see there is the changes happening in the circuit. When you select built-in silencer, it gets plugged with the silencer, so the options you are selecting getting reflected in your manifold, you can see it. So that is very important. Then you have some options available, some extra options, you can go through that, you can read. If you want DIN rail, that is just for mounting of the parameters, you can select the DIN rail for 4 station, 5 station, etc. You can go into details what is DIN rail actually. Then you have some safety options, so you can select accordingly. Now comes the major most important one, wall setting, like which walls you want. You have advanced products, then we have standard products. So you can see the station assignment, that means on at which station you want which type of wall, so you can assign the wall to the specific station, right? So for that purpose, let's see what are the available options in the station. So let's check out. So we have these type of different options available: 2 position single, then 2 position double, then 3 position center close, 3 position exhaust center, 3 position pressure center. So it is important the 4 position dual 3-port wall, that means you can mount the 2 3-port walls on the same port. So that is very important. That's why it is mentioned as dual, that means there will be 2 walls sitting on the same station. That is the meaning of 4 position dual 3-port wall. Now the 2 walls can be NC, NO/NC, or you can have one NC wall and one NO wall according to your application. You should know the circuit, that at which actuator I am for which actuator I am selecting this wall. Now you have selected the 4 position dual 3-port wall. Then again you have options like non-locking latching. If you remember, the latching means the wall will remain in the same position if there is a power cutoff. So according to the application you have to select that. Now as soon as you select that on which station you want this, just click on the station. Now here you could see that is 2 into 3/2 NC and NO. That means the first wall will be NC, the second will be NO. The 2 walls will be there on the first station. Both walls will be 3/2. One will be NC, one will be NO. So you have assigned the first station with this type of wall. If I want the third station with the same wall, just click on it. Now I want another type of wall, let's say 3 position wall, and let's say with a metal seal with let's consider external with a high pressure. So you can select the station, that is 5 by 3, and which type, it is center closed. That's why it is showing CC, that means 5 by 3 wall center closed. Again I want it on the fourth station, so I have selected that. Now let's say I want 5 by 3 exhaust center wall, or let's say a 2 position single wall non-locking type, and it's not a high pressure. So I am selecting, this is 5 by 2 single solenoid wall on the fifth station, and let's say I want the same wall on the sixth station also, right? And then again different walls, that is the double solenoid wall, 5 by 2 double solenoid wall on the remaining stations. So now you can see the current configuration is valid. That means we have selected the walls at each station and our manifold is now ready. Then we have the pneumatic port options, the main port options, that fitting options. You can have the fittings with the tube size. You can see here, either you can plug it or you can have a push fitting, and the sizes are mentioned over here. You have different sizes, right? So just change the wall, whichever wall you are selecting, and if you click on the station, the wall will get assigned to that station, right? And you can select the tubings. The pneumatic port sizes are also mentioned over here, and if you are confused like what is the pneumatic port, the top one and bottom one, just go, you can see also here the C6 sizes and the C8 sizes are mentioned over there. So you can select it, then the ports, pneumatic ports, and the port sizes, the AB port sizes, you have different sizes. The 6 is the maximum size, so you cannot go beyond that. If you have confusion, just click on the help and it will show some information that this pneumatic port is where. If you click over here, it will show the positions, right? So this is very very helpful and very important thing. You can just configure your own manifold with whichever walls you require, right? So then our selection is complete, so we can check out for the bill of the material. So let's check out the bill of the material. So we get the total bill of the material. You can see the part number, the description, and the quantity over there. We can just part list as Excel sheet. You can just export this to the Excel sheet. Just click on the part list as Excel sheet. As soon as you click on that, you will get a sheet with a BOM. So this is how you will get a total BOM directly. You can save this, you can download this file, and you can just purchase the parts according to this. So you will get a complete thing over here. And then you have an installation sheet. So in the installation sheet, you can see the configuration which you have selected. You can see on which station which wall has been selected. So this is a configuration or installation sheet. You can check out that which parameters you have selected, which walls you have selected on which station, right? So this will give which fittings you have selected. So all these things will be summarized over here, right? And the project information, yes, you can put the project information. If you feel all these things over here, those will appear on your installation sheet over here. All the things will come over here, and you can just save it for your reference. So this is how you can just have your own configuration, and from here you can change the series, and once again you can start with the walls, and here you can check out the power consumption of the wall manifold. You can see power consumption with energy saving option and current power consumption it can show. So you can check out also this thing. And if you want to change the series, you can just go and change the series also. You can select the manifold, and you can save the project and the documentation. Whichever part you are selecting, you have all the documentation, wall specification, operational manual, instruction manual, the SY catalog if you are going for SY series. So you can go there, the dsub xt, you can check out what is dsub and all those things. So all the things are summarized. You can just check out before selection. If I want VQ series, just go to the VQ series, select on VQ series, continue, and you will go again over here. You have to select the VQ series, and again just VQ series, and the format will get changed again according to the selection of your series. So this is how you can select the solenoid wall manifold, and it's very user friendly. You can get a lot of information from this. So this is it guys for our today's session, and I hope the session was informative. And if you like the video, please like the video, and if you have any doubts, please do write into the comment section. Until then, keep intro making. Thank you for the patient listening. Thank you.